Alright guys, welcome back to Project Energy. We're going to go over some of my numbers for the first 3 months of having solar. So you can see here from the chart that I kind of made up for November and December and January. So these indicators, the blue is for after solar and after doing a hybrid water heater and ecobee thermostats, is the gray, and then the green is before solar. So it's 3 different comparisons here. Like I said, the gray was the amount that I paid prior to going with a hybrid water heater and the ecobee thermostat that I have videos on that you can also check out. The green is before solar and the blue is after the solar. So you can see the differences that each of them made there, kind of in this graph that I try to put together to show you some real numbers, to give you some dollar perspectives. So in November, prior to doing anything, this would be an 18. My bill was $213. Before solar and after doing the hybrid water heater and ecobee was $248. So there's probably a little bit of difference in, a little bit higher there on that month, probably a little difference in the weather as far as like snow or ice. But after solar and the ecobee and hybrid water heater, my bill was $145. So from $213 down to $145, and that's for November. For December, was a big difference in the savings. You can see here in the chart, the highest was $353 before the solar, and after the hybrid water heater ecobee, $283. So a big difference. And then after solar was again $145 for that month. And I did run around these numbers up or down, whether it was closest to the nearest dollar. In January, again, some pretty good savings, $304 to $325, and then from after solar, let's see, $325 down to $158. So also, like I said, it was some variances there between weather for each month, but again, some big savings with their solar. I was kind of hesitant on what to expect as far as doing the solar. I did it in October, and my system went live a couple days after November the 1st. So I do expect to have a better November this year in 2020 than I did the previous year in 19. So just a little bit of update. I've been slow on getting posted some videos. I plan to do post here shortly to a 6-month review, and then probably just do a full year after the 6-month review to kind of show you a full year scope from November to October. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the new followers, and look forward to the next video.